My name is Azimar. Welcome to AB Slime Slime. Slime because I just started collecting slime. And this is my slime. The first is fluffy and the second is sticky and fluffy. Here is so sticky and fluffy. I love sticky and fluffy. Bye guys! Thank you for watching my video and comment down below what should I do next